Hi guys, it's AlphaBlue here and you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is our usual daily Euro USD and GBPUSD technical analysis. So this is Euro dollar on the daily time frame. We're just going to go over this pair and then I'm going to tell you what I expect based on the technicals I see on the chart and give you my price prediction and all of that. So I love the way Euro USD is looking. It's actually looking very good. It's looking very, very clean. We caught some nice sales from this point to this region right here. Well, right now, from what the price is doing, I am looking to long the market, and I'm gonna give you my reasons. Now, if you look at this chart, you see that Euro USD has overall been bullish, right? We've had this bullish move from late last year, right? That's overall been bullish. So you see that it has been having like some major corrections while it is going up. So from this high right here, we had this very strong correction. The moment it started ranging like this, I was expecting a sweep of the liquidity below because this looks like a channel descending, a bearish flag or a channel, whatever you call it, or a base drop safe, drop base drop, right? So I was expecting this drop to take out all the liquidity below, and we got that yesterday or from day before yesterday, and then yesterday now. This is a daily candle, right? Yesterday gave us this week. So this is a very strong sign or signal or confirmation that the sellers are getting exhausted and price will likely, reverse and continue being bullish. So now all of this liquidity down here has been taken out. And to extend this like this. So all of this liquidity down here has been swept, and now we have a push to the upside. Not just that, we also have a strong, wick on the daily time frame. So this is a very good, very, very good signal to start to, get more keen on buying Euro USD. And my target for Euro USD is going to be this relative equal highs here. This relative equal highs here. That will be my target. So let's go to the 4-hour. Now this is what the 4-hour looks like, right? We got the sweep, consolidation, price has taken off. So ideally, what I'll wait for is to see price at least come back a bit. Then I look for an entry. Is to see price come back, then I look for an entry. But the truth is, like this, then I look to take it continue like this. But in this case, this is the 4-hour time frame, so I can't really see where, we will get to see price reach. But I'm just going to mark them out and show you my expectations. Excuse me. And this was the sweep right here. Now, this is one point to look at. This point right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go down to the lower time frame to look for, liquidity points that price can take out before it continues bullish. Liquidity that price can take out before it continues bullish. So 2-hour is looking still clean. 1 hour. At least we have something like that, just like liquidity that price can take right here. See what the 30-minute looks like. Yeah, so you see this lines up exactly with the Asian low, right? So my game plan for Euro USD today, because I'm buying, right? We have the typical sweep shift model playing out here, right? Uh, this is this was the sweep of liquidity, and we got the shift. Even from here, you can see we got the shift. But let me just label this higher area as the shift in market structure, because this is the major shift, right? So now we have the sweep of liquidity and the shift in market structure. So ideally, what I'll do is to wait for price to come back to this region. So I'll be looking for my buys as well in this area, right? I have my stop loss can be here. In fact, I can just put my stop loss in, right? Then I'll target this little. So this is my plan for Euro USD. If we see price come back to this region, I'm going to take my long. But if price doesn't come back, fine. I'll look for a better way to get in. But then this is how I intend to get into this market. This is how I intend to get into this market. Well, another thing to consider is this is like a breakout block right here. So this place will likely hold. In fact, I can even make my entry like this. Because to be honest, I'll put my stop loss, let my stop loss be on the week of this 4 hour candle. You understand? I can have an entry like this too. This also makes sense. This also makes sense. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking forward to doing on Euro US. This is a 5 hour, almost 6 hour. Can I even extend our TP a bit, or we'll just leave it at that? 5.8 hours. It's not bad. It's very good. So this is my plan for Euro USD. This is my plan for Euro USD. If you see this happening, buy. If you see Euro USD come back to this area, buy. If you hit stop loss, fine. You've lost 1 hour, but you're targeting 5.8 hour, almost 6 hours. So it's worth the risk, guy. And this is just how trading is. It's risk to reward, right? It's probability. You know what your edge is, and then you wait for your edge to play out and you strike. That is what Forex is. So let's go to GBP USD and see what's going on there. Now this is GBP USD, and I am currently on this position on GBP USD. So GBP USD does a similar thing to Euro USD, only that we had GBP, was it CPI yesterday? So it gave us this very strong, move, this strong push on GBP USD. So GBP USD was kind of ahead of Euro USD yesterday because of the GBP red events or news that came out yesterday. So very similar thing to on GBP. We actually caught the move from this point all the way to this place. It was about 160 pips move. I shared this trade on my Telegram channel. If you want to see this trade, check my Telegram channel. You will find this trade there, this trade I'm talking about. So check the description of this video. You'll find the link to join my Telegram community. So we caught this move. This was the sweep, and then change of character. We entered around here, and then price came all the way to this point. So the moment price came out, took out this liquidity. Remember in my previous videos, I've been screaming that this point is this is where price is heading to, because there's just too much, engineered liquidity down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like to the teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, equal lows. So I was like, there's no way price is not coming here. So I was not interested in buying until I see that price has cleared this liquidity. So we got that sweep of liquidity at this point. The moment market swept the liquidity, we had this very strong push to the upside. So once I saw that price has taken off, it gave us a change of character as well. So just to label it properly, this right here, you can call this the sweep, right? This was the sweep of liquidity. And then where is the change of market structure? Right here. We got the change of market structure right here. So this is the shift of market structure. So the moment I saw this, I was already expecting to buy. So all I waited for was for price to come back to an area of demand or another block. And I found this other block on the 4 hour sales, on the 4 hour, right? So this is the other block on the 4 hour. But I was targeting more of the breaker block on the lower time frame. That was where I was like more interested in. Now the truth is there's something I'm going to tell you right here. If you have like this particular example, I'll show you how if I had, try to trade this a different way, I probably would have missed my entry. Now, the first thing I was looking at liquidity, and I was also looking at point of interest to go in. Now, the liquidity is this week right here. Let's go to the 1 hour, probably it's going to be clear. Exactly. So you see this week right here. This week right here is the liquidity. And coincidentally, it even lines up perfectly with the breaker block. This right here is the breaker block. This right here is the breaker block. This is the bullish candle that broke away. So this is the breaker block. It even aligns with the liquidity. So when I saw that the liquidity was here, the breaker block was just here, I wasn't now interested in targeting this other block below here, because I knew if I was going to wait for this other block here, I will miss the entry. I will miss the trade because there are too many things that are ready to push price back up here. So why wait? Or if you see this is an imbalance and then other block and you're targeting here, you will miss it. This is way too extreme, and price will most likely not come back to this point of interest. So target the point of interest that is closest to the liquidity. So this is the liquidity. The closest point of interest to this liquidity is this breaker block. So that was how I was able to get an entry on this trade right here. And we are running in profit about 2.5 or 3 hour already saved. And this trade is running for 7.2 hours. So similar idea. This is already moving. Target here. Let's see how it goes. But as for GBP, as for Euro USD rather, as for Euro USD, I think the market is still early on its move. We may not see price come back as I annotated here, but it could still come back, could still come back. So let's just wait and see what price does. If you're looking to enter, this is my strategy for entering this trade. So guys, I hope you got value from this. This is my my analysis, my technical analysis and breakdown on Euro USD and GBP USD. If you found value, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I will see you guys in my next one.